Good afternoon. So, yung topic ko is all about the 21st century learning and the 4Cs. So, what are the 4Cs? So, it is collaboration, communication, creativity, and the critical thinking. A focus on collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking is essential to prepare students for increasingly complex life and work environments in the 21st century. So, una nating pag-usapan yung tungkol sa collaboration. So, the collaboration occurs when the two or more people work together to accomplish a shared or common goal. So, yung collaboration is very familiar word sa atin, especially when it comes to kasi yung lagi nating apply sa alam for example karoon ng collaboration kapag may nakabuo ng groupings, so nagkakaroon ng unity ang bawat member. So yun yung collaboration. Then what does that mean for our students? So to build good collaboration skills, students must learn to, the first one is work effectively with different groups of people, including people from diverse cultures. So yung collaboration is hindi lang siya sa loob ng paaralan but in outside of the school. Nagagamit din yung collaboration kasi lalo na sa different groups of people or from diverse cultures. So kahit magkaiba ng kultura, nagkakaroon din ng collaboration ng bawat member. So be flexible and willing to compromise with team members to reach a common goal. So yun nga, pagkakaroon ng unity para ma-reach yung common goal ng bawat member. So demonstrate responsibility as a team member working towards a shared goal. Then, communication. So, communication is expressing clearly, crisply articulating opinions, communicating coherent instructions, motivating other through powerful speech. So, yung communications, no? Same lang din siya sa collaboration, very familiar word sa atin. So, yung pakikipag-communicate sa ibang, for example, sa for our so effective skills, students must learn to, the first one, communicate using digital media and environments to support personal and group learning. So, dito po sa communication na to, hindi lang siya, ang communication hindi lang nangyayari through face-to-face. Siyang tinatawag na communication ang social media. Example nun, like sa Google Meet. So dun nagkakaroon ng communication, like, di ba pag gumagamit tayo ng Google teacher, so that's the example. Next is share effectively using digital media and environment. So yun na po yung sa Google Meet na example. Communicate thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively to different audiences using various media and formats. The next is the creativity. Creativity is the ability to produce new, diverse, and unique ideas. Thinking creatively means looking at things from a different perspective and not be restricted by rules, customs, or norms. So yung creativity nagagamit naman natin sa paaralan, like for example, sa projects. So di ba kapag gumagawa tayo ng projects, para yung projects magiging creative tayo, nag-iisip tayo ng mga unique na bagay para maging mas maganda pa tingnan yung project. So, yun yung tawag doon, nagiging creative person ka. What does that mean for students? So, to build effective creatively skills, students must learn to. The first one is use wide range of idea creation techniques such as brainstorming, creating a new and worthwhile ideas, both incremental and radical concepts. So, elaborate, refine, analyze, and evaluate their own ideas in order to improve the maximize creative efforts. So, last is the act on creative ideas to make a tangible and useful contribution to the field in which the innovation will occur. So, yun ang ako no, sa example niya, like sa yung projects na ginawa, kung paano maging creative person pagdating sa mga ganung bagay. So, critical thinking involves logical thinking and reasoning, including skills such as comparison, classification, sequencing, cause and effect, patterning, well-being analogies, deductive and inductive reasoning, forecasting, planning, hypothesizing, and critiquing. So, yun sa critical thinking. Then, what does that mean for our students? So, today's students need to develop critical thinking skills by learning to. The first one is use different kinds of reasoning such as deductive and inductive to understand the situation. So, dito, example nito sa critical thinking, kumbaga, nagagamit yung critical thinking. For example, sa groupings, pag mag-iisip kayo, kapag meron binigay sa inyong situation or problem, kung paano yung masusolusyonan, gumagamit ng critical thinking. Critical thinking is yung, kumbaga, hindi ka lang nakafocus sa isang maaaring maging solution doon sa problem na yun. Kumbaga, naghahanap ka pa ng other information para mas maliwanag or para mas maintindihan and ma-resolve yung problem. And analyze complex system and understand how their interconnected parts support the systems, gather relevant information. So yun na nga po, no, hindi siya naka-base lang sa isang information, naghanap pa ng other information para mas maklaro yung magiging solution dun sa problem. And ask important questions that clarify points of view and help solve problems. Make decisions by selecting appropriate criteria and identifying alternatives to make reliable choices. Then, if today's students want to compete in this global society, they must also be proficient collaborators, communicators, creators, and critical thinkers. So, yun po yung purpose ng 4CS na yun. So, para maging isa kang magaling kang kipag-collaborate, yan, communicate, and to be creative person and critical thinkers. So, that's all po. Thank you.